see you guys there. What's going on? Hey, Jars is back! Hey!
Dr. ECL.
Yes, sir. Welcome back to another vlog. We got Mika.
Hi.
The camera person.
Hey.
She likes recording, by the way.
I love it.
That's why. She's right now. This is the car right now. As you can see, it's dirty as fuck. So I'm gonna clean this just to like wipe it down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? All the other parts are right here.
Oh, this is yours? Oh yeah, it is yours.
Yeah, that's the Supreme Grill. You do. Anyways,
try it on.
how's your guys' day?
Try it on.
I tried, dude. Doesn't fucking fit. All right, it's been a few minutes. You see this right here?
Mm-hmm.
We're cleaning it.
We're taking the oil out of the thing.
What do you guys? Why are you guys laughing?
Okay,
Okay, no, for real. So like we're taking the oil out of this.
Taking the oil out or cleaning the oil?
Okay.
Alright, y'all. So, we're gonna be cleaning this right here, you see? No, don't record too much of my face.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Everything in one take. Okay, so. Alright, y'all. See how dirty it is on the inside? Oh, shit, look, it's professional, see? Alright, so, you see how that oil, bro?
Just
all...
Take it all out as much as we can.
So what we're gonna do is just clean.
Yeah, keep it light. Keep it light. I didn't
know what I'm saying? Toby. I don't know. It's weird. There's Jairus. There's Uncle Sung, the mentor. There's Mika doing her hair dye.
No, I'm okay. I'm good.
You're on the line, dude.
No, I'm not.
Guys, what are you guys in the line for?
I'm just the cameraman.
Come on. Come on, come back out. Come on. Generous.
Oh no, I was getting
It's okay, it's okay.
I'm cold, guys.
Oh, I want to see this. I'm gonna help you, okay?
No, you're not. No, you're not. You know what? Watch it. Here we go, Jairus.
good enough, yeah.
Bartender, okay.
Am I gonna pass out? No. I'm kidding. It's not like GTA.
He can probably handle that.
Damn!
Okay.
Are you sure?
Damn!
Full shot, yeah. Okay.
Damn!
It's for Mika.
I want to
What about
smoke.
you?
Here.
I want to smoke weed.
Here, let me take it. You want me to take a video?
No, I don't want a shot. I want a joint.
Here.
Oh my gosh, I bet you all of you guys have more or less than me.
How much do you have? What the
You want to share some?
I have a lot.
You want to share some?
Alright guys, let's go! Oh. Damn, Jairus! No chaser?
Here.
How was it?
Actually, it was not as bad as I thought.
Your eyes are watering.
It wasn't as bad as I thought.
Good job.
I thought it was gonna be way nastier. Ew, it is nasty.
It's better, chilled.
More?
Let's go. You ready now? Yeah,
It's like an aftertaste. Drink more.
It's better, right?
Mixing orange juice and Patron.
Let me see it. Let me see the cocktail.
How does it taste?
I'm gonna finish it right now. It's
Let me
good.
try.
I want it. It's mine. This is the McCafe orange juice.
The Sammy Cafe orange juice.
McCafe orange juice.
If you know, you know. What do we think, guys?
Make a YouTube video. More. Just kidding.
I mean, don't be posting
No.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's currently 8:52, 8:50, pretty early in the morning. I went to drop off Jairus to school this morning, like early as shit. And then I went to go get the mail. I got this. Whoa. From Eliminate San Jose. Let's open it. Shit, y'all. Oh shit, that's badass as fuck, y'all. Look at that, boy. What you know about this? Anyway, yo, I'm gonna end off the vlog. Subscribe, like, fuck, do whatever you want. I don't care. Yeah. I'll see you guys. Peace.